Sabre jet. I wonder if that is an expression of respect by the Sabre pilot. It's Paul Simmons, squadron leader and a serving FA-18 Hornet pilot flying the Sabre jet as he prepares to put on his handling display the force of the Mustang in the next few moments. Well, the Sabre jet, what can be said about this marvellous piece of kit? The Avon Sabre, the Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation Sabre, based on the design of the North American F-86 Sabre, modified to meet local conditions and requirements. CAC won the contract to produce one prototype and 70 aircraft in February 1951. Line astern, inbound from your left.